I saw Jesus. I saw the Lord in the throne room of our Father in heaven. The Father leaned in, kind of said, "Go, my son, bring our children home." As soon as he said it, Jesus stood up and turned around, and he had a scroll in his left hand, and he raised his left hand up in the air. There were two huge angels, maybe 20 feet tall, with trumpets, and there was a sea of angels behind them. They each had a particular person that they were going to go get. They knew where to go on the earth. They knew how it was going to work. They knew exactly what that person was going to be doing, because now the plan had been laid out. So where it says, "No one except my Father in heaven knows the day or time," this is what I saw. This was the day and time being relayed to Jesus, and then he relayed it to all his angels. And they were all excited.